Hey guys, this is Rob with Next Gen Writer here. Today I want to do a short little video, and on motorcycle CarPlay devices, particularly the cheaper Chinese devices, a lot of times what they deliver for a mounting kit is this kind of goofy little plastic mount that has, mounts like so on the device, and then you clamp it onto your bars. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can convert these Chinese style devices to a RAM mount setup. So let's turn the camera around and get started. Okay, you'll see what I have here are a couple of Chinese motorcycle CarPlay devices. This is a Podofo that has this style bracket. It bolts to the back of the unit, and then the bracket mounts here with a bolt. So it has this bracket on it. This is a Greenie. Actually, there's a number of manufacturers for this 5-inch device, and it's actually a good little device. But it has a bracket here that has the same style, and again, it mounts to the plastic style connector and becomes pretty fixed. And these things just aren't great. They move around on the bars and really hard to adjust them. So RAM mounting them is just really makes life a lot easier. Now, what you'll need to RAM mount these, you'll find these out on the internet and Amazon for cameras. These have a 1/4 20 bolt. These are not going to work. So what you want to get is the quad lock. So it has a through hole for a bolt, and it has the right bolt that you need to mount this ball onto these devices. There's a couple of different kits out there that have these in them from Quad Lock. They vary. I think you can buy just the ball, but it doesn't have the screw. You can buy the screws separately. But I think the kits that will get you this piece, I think there's another kit that's like $19.99 that will get you the ball and the screw that you need. This thing may be a bit more. I think it might be like $29.99 or something like that. So let's disassemble this so I can show you what you need from this device or this mount and how it works on these inexpensive Chinese CarPlay units. So we're going to want the bolt. So save the bolt. This stuff you will not need. And then you want the ball mount or the ball. Okay, so we'll start off with the Podofo device. And generally these have the right thread insert. I think it's an M10 to accommodate this quad lock ball. Alright, so you're going to want to remove whatever the center mount bolt bracket is. Here it's a small bracket that mounts with 4 bolts. Over here it's going to be a 3-sided or 3-point mounting bracket. Then you want to run your screw in from the back. And you want to be aware of this bolt here and make sure that whatever the mounting fixture is, or however you're redoing the system here, that you're not going to end up pushing a bolt head into the unit. This one is pretty close, but it works. So now once we have the bolt in, then we can spin on the ball mount. And in this one, since the bolt's already threaded, you're not going to do yourself any good by tightening here. You really need to make sure, and you'll feel the kind of the ball grinding on those teeth and get that nice and tight. Now we can remount the bracket to the device. And there you go. Now you have a ball mount secured on the back of the bracket. Now in this case we don't have vibration isolation, but the factory didn't offer it. But now you can use RAM lock with this device. All right, we'll take this apart and then I'll just show you real quick on the, since this is a pretty popular device, I'll demonstrate it there as well. Okay, again, same thing here on the car ABC or IOCHI or whatever the manufacturer is of the device. Remove the rear bracket. Okay. And again, you want to take your quad lock bolt and you're going to run it in from the back side of the bracket. And it's going to seem like it sticks out pretty far, but it's going to be hidden by the ball mount. So give that a little snug. So now we have our screw. Now we take our ball mount and then we spin it on. Give it a nice good twist. Bracket goes back on. In this case, we're going to have vibration isolation, which is always a good thing. RAM mount. So pretty easy. Once you get the parts, it's just kind of like Legos. Figure out how to get that ball mounted onto the back of the device. And then you have RAM mount for easy adjustment or removal. If you're running a unit without cameras, maybe you have one cable, or this one is USB power for cameras and power. So that makes this a detachable unit. So pretty neat that you're able to do that with the quad lock ball mount adapter on these Chinese motorcycle devices. All right, thanks for watching.